Okay, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
That was food.
That was a ghost.
Brian's marinating it because how long is it gonna take to fry it?
3 times 13, so yes.
So less than an hour.
Yeah. So we fry it because we eat good in this house.
So we'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Just wanted to show you the before, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this is our second vlog, kind of part 2. We got a Christmas tree in today. That'll be part of another thing, probably later on in the video, to decorate. It's 7.5 foot. It's a Bethlehem light we got on QVC.
Yep.
And then I hung some of the stockings that we got. We have this ornament from 2016. We're still pass holders. Or 2017. So this is our decorations. Ready for that. We're gonna do the turkey tomorrow. We're gonna, it's an electric turkey fryer. And right now we are making Rice Krispie treats. We found these at Target, special holiday.
Oh, Hy-Vee.
Oh, Hy-Vee. I think they might be at, no, I don't think they're at Target. Okay, skip ahead. Took it out from here.
It really is like a cooking show.
Put it in here.
Oh, this stuff's really sticky.
It's really, ooh, yummy. I don't think it's focusing on it. No, I got a small piece. I'm waiting.
So that sound effect is not added in later.
I found Echo's pillow, so I put it on her little perch. Do you need me to do it? Huh?
No.
When Echo has pills. This year we got a what, 14-pound turkey?
13 and a half.
And then you just let it cool, right? And that's it.
Sure.
Fried, voila.
Basta.
Done. Gotta let it cool.
Yep.
We'll pick it up here in a little bit, guys.
So here's our tree. I think we showed you a little bit yesterday. Oh, Echo's frog. So it's Bethlehem lights, 7.5 foot tree. So yeah, we're getting everything kind of ready. There's Amber putting on the peace sign.
Okay, so this is up close. We have the flowers, butterflies. I'm thinking we might need a few more.
Golds?
Yeah, a few more ornaments. But I like it. We gotta put the tree skirt on still. Brian's gonna put, this is our tradition, Brian puts the star on. I think it looks really good for being pink and goldish, huh? You might want to put it towards us a little bit more.
Saw it.
Alright, our dessert's done.
Maybe.
I mean, this looks pretty good, getting it from mostly at home. We even got this star at home. More. A little bit more.
What way?
No, like turn it. Twist it. There we go. A little bit more. That's fine. That's fine. Yay, look how pretty it looks. That's the Star of Bethlehem. Now I just gotta put the, we're reusing a tree skirt, which is just a burlap one. This is what that looks like lit up. I got it at Walmart and at home, and I did it myself. I mean, and hopefully it turns out okay. Say hi, Echo. Meow. Probably should have steamed it out.
Bring your...
I am. There. Alright, guys, that's, whoops, everything's going everywhere. The completed look for the tree. Unless we decide to get other things, huh, Brian?
Yep.
But we'll start putting up some other stuff and we'll show you guys around. Cousin Sam made this for us and when we lost our baby, so we wanted to have that up. It's pretty cool with our initials and stuff. We still have our vinyl mations. We found a few more things. We have this up. We got this ornament from Brian's brother and wife for our baby. Got that. We have those. And then I have this from last year. Here are these that are lit up. I know we keep showing you them. But of course they're Mickey and Minnie. Didn't know where to put them. Our beautiful tree. What did I catch you snacking on? We got these from the Merry Christmas party last year, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. I've had this little garland for a few years, so this part is finished with our stockings. I ended up putting our Hawaii ornament on there. It says Mili Kalikimaka. We all know that song. I decided not to get another wreath. We have this that we got, which is pretty cool. This one says Maria's Place on Earth. This side has Joy from the World. We have this that we did. So when we get some cards maybe or something, we can put that. Then we got this. That's pretty much it really, because we got rid of a lot of things, didn't we? Our house is messy too.
I'm ready to go back to school. I'm on my fall break. These actually turned out pretty good.
The Rice Krispie treats you did last night?
Want a bite? I'm not gonna do what Omar does.
So, this is it decorated. We didn't think we were gonna come back. We thought we were gonna be in Florida. Let us know if you like our tree, or if you have any other ideas that we could do. Huh, Brian? And also, we are still doing that contest for those 2 different sets of ornaments. Well, if you want it, leave a comment. If we decide to choose you,
I don't think it's on the other video.
Okay, well, it was probably the video before, but there was 2 sets from the first video, when we were looking at stuff to get. So if you like them, leave a comment. We'll choose a winner, and we'll see how that goes.
And from Amber and me, we want to say hi to Aaron and Grace down in California.
Oh yeah, Uncle Peanut says hi.
I do.
Why do they call you Uncle Peanut?
You know what? I don't even know. But it's funny.
So hopefully Aaron and Grace are watching.
So have a happy Thanksgiving.
We love you guys. We love all our subscribers, but we really love Aaron and, and Grace a lot. We miss them so much. And then, yes, our house is a little bit messy. But of course you have to have your fancy towels that you're not allowed to use, because that's how us women are. And then Mickey and Pluto say bye. Echo, tell Uncle Aaron and your cousin Grace, say happy Thanksgiving, and we love you guys.
So don't forget to share our video and everything.
That's us. We have tons of cool stuff so far. We're going to probably upload a lot more things.
Check out our playlist for Hawaii. It'll be up here in the corner. Or here.
One of those corners.
Like a flight person thingy. And then our other video will be at the end of this video. There
Hopefully
it is, part
that
1.
We'll edit today and hopefully get it up for Thanksgiving. So keep an eye out.
We'll show our good food and then we'll post this.
And then we'll dig in. And we'll post it. Love you guys.
See ya.
Bye. For now.
So this turkey's been in for 19 minutes. I think if my math is done correctly. Steam burns. That look delicious or what?
I'm going to see if I can get a little bit before it decides that it wants to die. But Brian loves his turkey, and it's so proud of it. Just like everyone else's setup, this is ours. I know our placemats are hideous. I didn't know that we're going to have a little table. Just like everybody else, we're having the same kind of food. Echo.
IKEA yet.
But Brian just wanted to show off his work.
Well, it's actually Butterball's work because it's their fire.